Hello, hello, hello. We're going to do a little meditation and energy clearing to help you feel better in your body and at this present moment, at this time in the world, because there's a lot going on, a lot of outside energies that are influencing our everyday life. So I want you to calm the nervous system, and we're going to do that by meditating, but also clearing out some of the stuck stagnant energy. As a certified pranic energy healer and yoga teacher and spiritual guide, I'm here to help you get back into the body and let all of the things from the mind go. So thank you so much for being here. If you want more spiritual meditations, definitely click subscribe, because I'm so happy to have you in this community to heal yourself from the inside out as a ripple effect into the world. So find a nice comfortable seat, take a nice big breath in, exhale, let everything go. Getting into the body, out of the mind and into the body. Say that with me: out of the mind and into the body. Take a breath in, out of the mind, exhale, and into the body. Feel into the heart. Maybe you place one hand on your heart. And just notice how the body's feeling. Notice how the shoulders are feeling, and the arms and the hands. Notice an energy coming down from the heart into the belly, the hips, the legs, the feet. And from the root chakra, from the pelvis, that energy is coming up. We're going to breathe in a nice white light from the crown of the head down to the face, the chest, the belly, the hips, the legs, the feet. Breathe it in. Exhale. I know there's so much going on in the world right now, but I just want to pluck some of that energy away from you, from other people, from everything going on. It's all just a distraction to get you away from yourself. So we're just going to pluck that. And we're going to take a big inhale. And exhale, let everything go. Now on this inhale, I want you to imagine I'm filling you up with love, compassion, acceptance, joy for yourself, for others. We breathe it in. And we exhale, we let everything go. The uncertainty, we let that go, and we breathe in some clarity. Take another little sip of air at the top. Exhale, let everything go. I'm just going to brush out some of this excess energy that you've been carrying. And we're just going to fill you with relaxation, with peace, with a joy and a zest for life. Sometimes when we're being pulled in so many different directions, it's really hard to hear our inner selves. So I want us to imagine that we have a root growing from the bottom of us into the seat, into the couch, wherever you are, and imagining a white light pulling you up to the sky. And you're feeling grounded, but you're also feeling connected. And from here, we tune into your inner knowing, and we let everyone else's decisions, everyone else's opinions, everyone else's expectations, and we just clear that out. We let it go. And we tune into our inner noise. We tune into our inner voice, what it is we're craving, what it is we're wanting. We're just getting rid of any of that cloudedness in the brain. And we're letting the heart sing. We're giving the heart a stage to be seen, to be heard. What does the heart want? What does your creative self want? What does your sacral chakra, which is all about pleasure and creativity, what pleasure do you want to have in your life? Maybe it's a trip, maybe it's more drawing, maybe it's more hobbies, and I'm just giving you that permission to be able to go and do whatever it is you need to do to fill up your whole being, your whole essence. Take that in, breathe it in. And then plucking out anything that's no longer serving. Everyone else's energy, everyone else's opinions. And we're letting everything else go. One more big breath in. Little sip of air at the top. Exhale, releasing it all. Again, I'm filling you with this life force energy, this white prana from nature, from air, from the sun, from water. Feel it resonate in your body. What would it feel like to be your most creative self, your most pleasureful self, your most grounded self, your most loving self? Breathe in that person. Connecting to that version of you. And just allowing. There's no needing to be someone. There's no needing a certain outcome. You're just allowing yourself to be. Take this in. Take a couple moments to yourself as I give you a little energy cleansing in your aura, also in your organs too. We're going to cleanse out some of the energy there, dropping our cortisol levels as you just continue to breathe. We're just going to come back to this space. Take a nice big breath in. Gently coming back to awareness of this space, maybe wiggling the fingers and the toes, shaking the head side to side, maybe a nice big roll of the neck in a circle and then go the other way. Roll the shoulders up by the ears and back. And then roll them forwards. Take a nice big breath in. Arms can come up overhead. Hands slowly come to heart center. Taking in this moment, taking in this gratitude for being present here. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, definitely give me a like, comment below. I love hearing from you. If I should make more videos like this, subscribe to this channel for more mindfulness, meditations, yoga, and spiritual talks to live your best life. I'm so glad you're here. And if you want to have a more in-depth session together, one-on-one, to help give you clarity and remove out any stuck energy, and we can talk about what's going on in your energy field and give you a path forward, you can definitely take a look on booking a session in the description below. Sending you so much love, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!